like to start with a clean slate, and I like to gather all the supplies I'm going to need to have them within arm's reach for when I'm ready to decorate my table. In this case, chargers, plates, flatware, stemware, and things for my centerpiece. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to create a beautiful Valentine's dinner party tablescape. Hope you enjoy. Always want to start with a clean slate. Then I put down my runner. Now this runner needs to be ironed, and it's kind of a silky material, so I don't really have the time to iron it right now, so I'm going to just roll with this. Next, I'm going to work on my centerpiece, and I like to work on my centerpiece first so that when I'm doing the place settings, I can kind of gauge where you know, the chargers and plates and stuff need to go. So we're going to start by the centerpiece, and I've just got these floral stems here. YouTube problems, oh my gosh. Floral stems here, and I'm just going to place them in my vase. I've got a lead crystal vase. Now you can use anything. Like I like to say, I've shopped my house for it. Just gathered stuff from around my house. You don't have to go out and spend a lot of money to do this. You can get stuff that looks almost just like this from the Dollar Tree or Walmart or Hobby Lobby, wherever you want to get it. But I'm just using what I have. So I have these floral stems. And I also had this pampas grass that I thought would be really pretty. So I'm just going to pop those in. Let's see. And like I said, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money to do this. Anybody can do this. Look how pretty that is. Kind of gives me Great Gatsby vibes. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and place this in the center, right under the chandelier. Shopped my house for some greenery. I've got some more floral heads, but I like to use a few pieces like this to fill in on the outside to kind of bring it down the table. So let's get started with that. This silk table runner is not really ideal because it wants to slide around and it's driving me nuts. But I'm going to keep pressing on. You want to make sure you work around the whole centerpiece because you don't want any holes. See, I could use one more. Put that right here. So let me take you down and show you what it looks like up close. So I decided I want to add a little bit of candle light to the centerpiece. So I'm just going to take these crystal candlesticks and place those at each end, kind of wedge them into the greenery. And then I've got these cream colored pillar candles. I'm just going to stick in each one. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to take you down now and show you what it looks like up close. Have our centerpiece done, we're going to start with the place settings. Now I'm going to use some chargers. I have two different kinds. I have this kind and one with the scalloped edge. You can mix the styles, that's perfectly fine. And like I said, you can get these at Dollar Tree all day long and they're very inexpensive. You can also get them other places, of course, but that's what I'm going to start with is my gold chargers. And I'm also going in with these wine-colored napkins. And you can get these pretty inexpensive too off of Amazon, Hobby Lobby, places like that. And you don't have to use cloth, fabric napkins. You can use really anything. You can use Dollar Tree stuff all day long and make it gorgeous. I'm just using what I have. And then I'm just going in with these cream colored plates. So let's get started. napkin, and you can do this so many different ways. If you have napkin rings, which I have a ton of them, but in this case I'm not going to use them. So in this case I'm just going to lay my napkin, kind of fold it, lay my napkin here, and then put the smaller plate on top. So let's do all that. Next I'm going to go in with my gold flatware. Gold flatware, we're going in with that. Next I'm going in with my stemware. These are crystal, and the only reason I chose these is because it matches the candlestick holders and the vase. So let's go on with these. This year, that's how I do it. Anybody can do this. All it takes is a little creativity, a few florals, some greenery maybe if you want that. A lot of people do a more cutesy type of Valentine's, but I wanted mine to be a little more elegant and kind of upscale. So this is how I did it, and give it a shot. The people you do this for will love you for it. They will love you for it because they will see how much time and effort you put into making their Valentine's special. Even if it's for kids, they will appreciate it. So make sure you give me a like if you enjoyed the video, comment what you think about the tablescape, and subscribe and click the bell so you'll get notified anytime I upload. Happy Valentine's!